Journey Junction presents Rio. Yo, what is up everybody? It's your boy James Robinson, and I am hyped to announce that Journey Junction is back. We're about to drop some serious knowledge about one of the most vibrant, exciting cities on the planet. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. That's right, we're talking beaches, mountains, incredible food, and an energy that will blow your mind. This isn't just a travel guide, this is a deep dive into the heart and soul of Rio. We're talking about the must-see spots, the hidden gems, and everything in between. So buckle up, smash that subscribe button, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Let's do this thing. First up, we're hitting up one of Rio's most iconic landmarks, Sugarloaf Mountain. Now trust me, you haven't truly experienced Rio until you've been to the top of this place. It's like stepping into a postcard, with panoramic views that will make your jaw drop. We're talking lush green mountains, the sparkling blue ocean, and the sprawling city all laid out before you. It's seriously breathtaking. And the best part, you can skip the lines with an official Sugarloaf cable car ticket. That means more time soaking in the views and less time waiting around. Next up, we're making our way to another Rio must-see Christ the Redeemer. This iconic statue is more than just a tourist attraction, it's a symbol of hope and faith for people all over the world. And let me tell you, seeing it up close and personal is an experience you won't soon forget. Standing at the base of this massive statue, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. We're talking about taking the official cog train, skipping the lines, and immersing ourselves in the history and significance of this incredible landmark. Chapter 3, Rocinha Favela, experience the real Rio. Now it's time to get off the beaten path and explore the heart and soul of Rio de Rocinha Favela. This vibrant community is full of life, culture, and incredible people. We're talking about walking alongside a local guide who will show us the real Rio, sharing stories and insights that you won't find in any guidebook. This is about connecting with the community, experiencing their way of life, and gaining a deeper understanding of this incredible city. Chapter 4. The ultimate Rio Day trip. Christ, Sugarloaf, and more. Alright, time to pack it all into one epic day. We're talking about hitting up all the major sites. Christ the Redeemer, Sugarloaf Mountain, the vibrant Celeron Steps, and finishing it off with a Brazilian BBQ lunch. This is the perfect way to experience the best of Rio in a single day. Picture this, breathtaking views, cultural landmarks, and delicious food. It doesn't get much better than that. We're talking about maximizing our time, making memories, and experiencing the true spirit of Rio de Janeiro. Chapter 5, 6 stops, endless memories, Rio Highlights and Lunch. For those of you who like to have it all planned out, this one's for you. This 6-stop tour takes you to all the highlights of Rio, from the iconic beaches of Copacabana and Ipanema to the historic Santa Teresa neighborhood. And of course, no Rio adventure is complete without indulging in some delicious local cuisine. That's why this tour includes a tasty lunch at a traditional Brazilian restaurant. We're talking about a hassle-free way to experience the best of Rio, with everything taken care of for you. So there you have it, guys. Rio de Janeiro, a city that will steal your heart, blow your mind, and leave you breathless. We've only just scratched the surface, but hopefully, this video has inspired you to book that flight, pack your bags, and experience the magic of Rio for yourself. Trust me, this is a city that needs to be seen to be believed. From the moment you step off the plane, you'll be swept away by the energy, the passion, and the sheer joy of life that permeates every corner of this incredible city. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and explore. Peace!